Good day, South Africa, and let's check on what the weather has in store for the rest of your youth day. We have here two cold fronts which are going to control the weather across western South Africa this Tuesday, and these are going to give us a lot of rain over the Cape provinces as well as snowfalls across the highlying areas of the western and eastern Cape. Over eastern South Africa, we are going to stay with mostly sunny and warm weather in most areas. We have several weather alerts issued by the South African Weather Service. Watch out for high seas extending from Cape Point into the Port Alfred area. A watch is also in place for gale force winds between Cape Agulhas and Port Alfred. We also have a watch in place for heavy rains across the Cape Winelands as well as the Overberg in the Western Cape. A watch has also been issued for snowfalls over the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape and across parts of Lesotho. Lastly, we also have a watch for high fire danger across the northwestern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Up to an 80% chance of rain is forecast this Tuesday along the west coast of the Western Cape and the adjacent interior. Up to a 60% chance of rain and snowfalls where you see that dark shade of blue, and the chance of precipitation will decrease to around 40% where you see the lighter shades of blue. It's going to be pretty chilly this Tuesday afternoon for the western parts of the country. Look at Sutherland managing a high of just 7 degrees, 14 for Cape Town and George. Much warmer as we go towards the Eastern Cape. Even warmer in KwaZulu-Natal, Richards Bay hitting 30 degrees, 32 for the high in Mbombela. Mild temperatures are forecast once again in Gauteng, Johannesburg 20, 22 in Pretoria, just a degree warmer as we go towards Mahikeng. Poor beach conditions are forecasted this Tuesday along the west coast. It's going to be cloudy and wet over these coastal areas. We are also expecting strong winds around Langaban. Strong winds and wet weather will also keep coastal conditions uninviting along the southwest coastline. And here we are expecting fairly big swell heights of around 4.5 meters with a 13-second period. Further east along the south coast, we are also expecting poor beach conditions here. It's also going to be wet, and we're expecting strong westerly winds for much of your Tuesday. Lastly, along the east coast, we are expecting great coastal conditions around Durban and Richards Bay, where light northeasterlies are forecast for much of your day. That's it from the Weather Center. Have a great one.